Welcome to Wendy Bright Production channel. How to make quality laundry bar soap at home. Quality laundry bar soap at home. Special thanks to my subscribers, my viewers. Thank you very much. So your ingredients. So now, get your caustic soda, your soda ash, your sodium sulfate, and your calcium carbonate. You dissolve them with water and leave it for 24 hours. Stir very well. Then, after 24 hours, you get your caustic soda and use your hydrometer to test the specific gravity by dipping it inside your hydrometer. The specific gravity is 1275. This is after 24 hours of dissolving your caustic soda. Then now, I will mix my caustic soda with calcium carbonate. This is after 24 hours. Now I'm mixing my caustic soda with calcium carbonate and stir it very well. So now I also mix my soda ash with my sodium sulfate and stir. Stir very well. Stir very well. Believe me, this method is very good and is faster when you're producing your soap. It makes it very fast. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Now you add your BKO to your neat empty bowl. That's your palm kernel oil. Measurement is at the end of this video. So after that, I'll be adding my silicate, that's my sodium silicate, and I will stir. Then now I'll add my foam buster. Stay in a well-ventilated area. Make sure you wear your nose masks and your hand gloves. Then I'm adding my soda ash and sodium sulfate. The soda ash, the sodium sulfate, calcium carbonate, they help in increasing the quantity. They are like fillers. They help in increasing the quantity. It helps in increasing the quantity and also makes your soap to be very hard. So remember to stir very well. So now I'm adding my caustic soda and calcium carbonate. So now you add your fragrance. You need to add enough fragrance so that the fragrance will come out very well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and you will really get a lot of videos from Wendy Bright. Now it's time to add to your mold. Be very careful at this stage so that your soap will not dry up in your bowl or your container. Color is optional. You can choose to add color if you like. Leave it for 24 hours. Your soap needs to cure, so you leave it for 24 hours before using it. So now after 24 hours, bring it out from your mold. You can also use plastic mold if you like. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Your Wendy Bright soap is ready. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Measurement is at the end of this video. You can also leave your soap for some weeks before using it.